Which is the largest river in Odisha? The answer is Mahanadi. Question number 2. How many major floodplains are there in Odisha? The answer is northeastern part of India. Question number 3. Where is Odisha located? The answer is northeastern part of India. Question number 4. How many tectonic blocks does Odisha have? The answer is North Odisha Canton and West Odisha Canton. How much space is covered by forest in Odisha? The answer is 37.34. Question number 6. Which is the highest waterfall in Odisha? The answer is Borehi Pani. Question number 7. What is the geographic area of Odisha? The answer is 55,707 square kilometer. Question number 8. What are the two plateaus of Odisha? The answer is the Panposh and Navarangpur. Which river is called the Ganga of Odisha? Answer is the Boitarani. Question number 10. How many states do Odisha share a border with? The correct answer is Andhra Pradesh, Chhattisgarh, Jharkhand and West Bengal. Question number 11. What is the capital of Odisha? The answer is Bhubaneswar. Question number 12. Which is the largest industrial area in Odisha? The answer is Mancheswar Industrial Estate, Bhubaneswar. Question number 13. What is the major agriculture in Odisha? The answer is rice, pulses and oil seeds. Question number 14. Which is the diamond city of Odisha? The answer is Sambalpur. Question number 15. What is the approximate population of Odisha as 2024? The answer is 4.37 crores. 16. What is the main contributor to Odisha's economy? The answer is agriculture. Question number 17. Odisha comes under which coastal zone of India? The answer is Utkal Plain. Question number 18. Which is the largest lake in Odisha? Answer is Chilika Lake. Question number 19. Which is a major mineral in Odisha? Which is a major mineral in Odisha? The answer is manganese, iron and chloramite. Question number 20. How many districts does Odisha have? The answer is 30. Question number 21. Which river in Odisha has no delta? The answer is Rushikalya. Question number 22. Which is the second largest river in Odisha? Brahmani. Question number 23. Which dam is built across the Mahanadi river? The answer is Hirakud Dam. Question number 24. Which is the largest district of Odisha? The answer is Mayurbhanj. Question number 25. Which is the largest mountain of Odisha? The answer is Devamali. Question number 26. Which is the largest iron and steel producing plant in Odisha? The answer is Raurkela Steel Plant. Question number 27. When was Odisha formed? The answer is 1st April 1936. Question number 28. Which one of the 4 dams is present in Odisha? The answer is Puri Jagannath Temple. Question number 29. When was Odia movement started? The answer is 1903. Question number 30. When the capital of Odisha was shifted from Cuttack to Bhubaneswar? The answer is 1948. Question number 31. Where was the first Odia magazine Bodha Jaini published form? The answer is Baleshwar. Question number 32. First Odisha magazine Bodha Daini was published in? Answer is 1861. Question number 33. Which was the first Odia novel of Odisha? Correct answer is Padmamali. Question number 34. Which was the first Odia newspaper? The answer is Utkala Deepika. Question number 35. Who was the first chief minister of Odisha? Answer is Hare Krishna Mahatab. Question number 36. Kalinga War took place in which year? The answer is 261 BC. Question number 37. The Jagannath Puri temple was built in the year? The answer is 1161. Question number 38. Which poet was given the title of Kavish Samrat? The answer is Upendra Bhanja. Question number 39. The Lingaraj temple was constructed by whom? The answer is Soma dynasty. Question number 40. Which one is the first English daily published from Odisha? The answer is The New Odisha. Question number 41. Which is the classical dance of Odisha? The answer is Odishi. Question number 42. Which is the regional language of Odisha? The answer is Odia. Question number 43. Which temple in Odisha is famous for its annual Rath Yatra? The answer is Jagannath Temple. Question number 44. Which district of Odisha is known for its rich tribal culture? The answer Koraput. Question number 45. Which district in Odisha is known for its ancient rock-cut caves? The answer is Kolahandi. Question number 46. Which city in Odisha is famous for its applique work? The answer is Bargarh. Question number 47. Which district in Odisha is known for its ancient sun temple? The answer is Konark. Question number 48. Which district in Odisha is famous for its silver filigree work? The answer is Cuttack. Question number 49. Which district in Odisha is known for its natural hot water spring where people come for therapeutic purposes? The answer is Balangir. Question number 50. Which famous handloom textile of Odisha is known for its intricate ikat patterns? The answer is Sambalpuri sari. If you like the video, then don't forget to like, share and subscribe. Bye bye.